Which panel allows you to adjust the text properties like font, size, and alignment?
Character panel.
What is the shortcut to create a new document in Adobe InDesign?
Command and N.
Which of the following file types can you import for image placement?
JPEG, PNG, EPS.
InDesign allows you to create a multi-page layout using which of the following?
Spreads.
What is the purpose of the Master Pages feature in Adobe InDesign?
Applies a consistent layout across pages.
How can you add a hyperlink to text or an object in InDesign?
Using the Hyperlinks panel.
Which tool allows you to flow text across multiple columns or pages?
Text threading tool.
What is the benefit of using the Package feature in Adobe InDesign?
Exports all assets into one folder.
Which of these is a correct function of the Preflight panel in InDesign?
To check for errors in your layout.
What does the Bleed setting in InDesign control?
The area for printing beyond the trim line.
What is the shortcut to preview your document in full screen mode?
W.
Which of the following allows you to align objects to the margin, page, or spread?
Align panel.
How can you quickly create a duplicate of an object in InDesign?
Alt and drag.
Which format should you choose when exporting a print-ready document?
PDF.
What does leading control in text formatting?
Space between lines of text.
What is the shortcut to create a new layer in InDesign?
Command-Shift-N.
How can you convert text into outlines in InDesign?
By selecting the text and choosing Create Outlines from the right-click menu.
How do you adjust the opacity of an object?
Using the Transparency panel.
What is the main function of the Links panel in InDesign?
To manage and update linked images or files.
Which of the following is not an option when exporting an InDesign file?
GIF.
What is a live corner in InDesign?
A feature that allows you to round the corners of objects interactively.
In which panel can you create a gradient for a fill or stroke?
Gradient panel.
What does the eyedropper tool do in InDesign?
Samples color, stroke, or effects from one object to another.
What is slug in Adobe InDesign?
An area outside the page for notes and job instructions.
How do you group multiple objects together in InDesign?
Command G.
What is the purpose of a baseline grid in InDesign?
To align text across multiple columns or pages.
How can you apply a drop shadow to an object in InDesign?
Effects, drop shadow.
Which tool allows you to adjust the shape of a path?
Direct selection tool.
What does the content-aware fit feature do?
Adjusts the size of an image to fit in its frame.
Thank you for joining the quiz. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. To take your design journey to the next level, click the links below to explore my design courses or learn how to earn from anywhere in the world as a graphic designer. Stay creative, and see you in the next video.